Good morning. Welcome back. Here we are Monday morning, and we're looking to trade some futures and Forex. Good morning, Mandela.
Good morning, Andrew. How are you doing this morning?
Yeah, I'm good. Thanks. How was the weekend?
Oh, it was great. It was really nice. We ended up taking a quick trip from Friday to Sunday over to Belgium, and it was exactly what I needed, Andrew. Exactly what I needed.
No,
How about
brilliant.
you? How was your
Yeah, it was
weekend?
good. Just started watching like some soft disclosure on the X Files. Sounded pretty good, and obviously enjoyed the football yesterday. So
Yes. Well done.
yeah,
Well done to the United for the victory. I have to give credit where credit is due.
yeah, no, yeah, it was a good result considering. So
Yeah.
yeah, quite happy with that. But straight into the futures, and I'm on the S&P this morning, and I'm actually looking to go short. So what I'm seeing this morning is we are seeing a downward trend from M15 to H4. Yeah, okay,
Yes.
M5 is
Yes.
showing a little bit bullish, and you can see in here I've marked in the Asian high, Asian low. I've actually taken the opening VWAP from, let me get this right, that's the wrong place, that should be there. Okay, so we've taken that in, so we can see the price is still hovering below the first 50 minutes of the Asian high VWAP, and we seem to be rejecting from this Asian low here. So we formed a high, and we seem to be pushing back down. So I've actually taken this trade on top step, and as I just said off air, I'm having some problems taking this trade with Apex. We'll try again now. Yeah, it's rejecting for some reason. So I've reset everything at Apex. So yeah, it seems to be an issue. I don't know if the servers are down, but yeah, something just doesn't seem right.
Yeah,
So
that's a bit odd.
yeah,
That's a bit odd.
we've taken a short position. We took it around here, around 25 past 6, and we've gone short for 40 pips or 40 ticks with futures. So that's my trade. So where's that at? We're at our entry level at the moment, and I've also got a trade on gold. It's actually on the micro, and we're about a whole $21 in profit there. So I might just move that stop into a break even, and then we'll get into the news.
Yeah, we can definitely do the news. I wanted to just quickly just say, with the trading, how's the trading been going over the last couple of days?
Yeah, it's been going well. So like I said, I'm having some issues. I got two accounts with Apex. It's not letting me take a trade, but let's go on to the other account. So yeah, we're up 2.8 on that account, and we got a profit target of 6,000. So we're about halfway there. So pretty happy with that. But I can't get a trade away this morning for some reason. Yeah, it keeps rejecting the trade. I'll reach out to support now. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. I'm all logged in. Yeah, it's showing green, so we should be able to take a trade. But I wanted to actually start the other account today, and I can't get into it. So I don't know. It's just too early at the moment. So
yeah, it is a bit early. Maybe it's their servers are down as well, like you said.
Yeah. So if we just go over to Top Step X, yeah, we're down $12 on the day. We're up 94 unrealized profit and loss, and yeah, we got a trade open on gold and trade open here in the S&P with a 40 tick stop and a 40 tick profit. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on that. I don't know what's going on with Apex. I can't get in. It looks like a nice trade as well, which is a shame.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't know what's going on with Apex. I've reset it a couple of times as well, and it's still not working. I'm just looking at the accounts on TradeZella, and yeah, I've got my maximum drawdown available. Account status is open, but I can't seem to get a trade away. So I don't know what's going on, to be honest.
Yeah, maybe a server issue. That's the only thing that kind of makes sense to me. But they should sort of send out some sort of notification if they are aware of it, letting you know. I mean, I'm definitely no prop firm tech guy, but that's the only thing that kind of makes sense to me as well, Andrew.
Yeah, just gonna mark it here. So like a paper trade. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on this.
Yeah.
So that's something what I'm looking at. So yeah, we created a high here, rejected off the VWAP, rejected off the Asian low. So I've taken a long position. So yeah, we'll see how that trade plays out into the stream. So let's have a quick look at today's news.
Let's do it. Here we go. Today's news. There we go. All right. So for starters here, we'll start out with the economic calendar. So this is the main events. Not much happening today, but tomorrow we will be getting PPI, which is Producers Price Index, month over month. So the change from November to December, that's coming out tomorrow. It's going to be 8:30 in East Coast of the United States, which means that's 9:30 for everybody in Bermuda and 1:30 for us over here in the UK and Wales, England and Wales, I should say. Wednesday is the big day. We have CPI, which is usually a market moving data point. And the forecast for CPI, usually we look at this year over year number. Forecast is for an increase in inflation to 2.9%, up from the November number, which would have been 2.7. So that's the main one, I think, for the week, Andrew. We get some other items later on Thursday, which we can touch on later on in the week. But I think CPI Wednesday, I think, is going to be something that a lot of traders are waiting for, and then we'll trade after. So that's the main data points, and then we also have earnings for those of you who do trade individual stocks. Earnings season is about to kick off this week unofficially. Not much today by way of company earnings reports, but on Wednesday we start to get JP Morgan, Citi, Wells Fargo, and BlackRock. And then Thursday, we get Taiwan Semiconductor in the morning, United Health Group, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, and Morgan Stanley. Just something to be aware of, especially if you are either a long-term investor in these companies or you do hold stocks in any of these companies. Just be aware that they will be announcing their earnings, which is essentially their financials for the previous quarter. That's your market update.
Excellent. No, thanks, Mandela. We'll quickly just jump over to our trade. And yeah, as we said, it's rejected off that VWAP, rejected the Asian low, and seems to be pushing down quite nicely into our TP. So the green line I've put in here is about 75% of profit. So we're probably going to go to break even around here. And yeah, we're 15 ticks into it at the moment. So yeah, 375 in profit. I might close this trade out and call it a day around $500. So yeah, it's a shame I can't trade with Apex, which I don't know what's going on, to be honest, but it is what it is. There's not a lot I can do. So let's jump over to the charts and then we can wrap things up in about 10 minutes.
Yep, that sounds good to me. All right, so having a quick look here. So this was your S&P as well. I'm just trying to get this Asian range set up. So you have a nice position here on S&P, Andrew. I think you got in at a good time. And it looks like price is moving favorably at the moment. So we'll keep an eye on that as well. Let's go up to Bitcoin here. Following in S&P's footsteps, more or less. Dragging down a bit.
So after that jobs release from the US last week is pushed down, right? So
yes. Yeah. Let's see if we can find that date. So it would have been Friday. Wait, let me go in a little bit because we did do the pre-market show on Friday where we touched on that as well. I think it went down here. So this would have been Friday morning here. This is where we got the data release. So it hasn't really gone too far since then. It's kind of stayed around, I guess, between 95,000 and 93,000.
Yeah,
but it's interesting.
Yeah, could see a continuation of a downward trend until Trump gets sworn in, right, which is on the 20th. And but I'll stick to what I said after the election. I'm expecting a strong dollar next year, so things like gold, Bitcoin could be going down. So I'd just be mindful of the dollar. That is one of Trump's main, I suppose, initiatives or projects, is to make that dollar stronger. So I would just be mindful of that when trading against the dollar. And obviously the UK pound, it's on its knees. I expect a further push down this week, unless something changes within the UK. I think it'd be good to take some short positions against the pound and dollar at the moment. So,
do you trade those pairs?
I don't. Mostly gold on Forex and futures, but just looking at the mainstream news. The UK economy is probably heading into recession if something doesn't change pretty quick.
Yeah, I've seen some headlines over here. It looks like it could be some rocky times ahead. So we'll have to see. I think, like you said, I think a lot of things will become clearer once the inauguration happens on the 20th. So
and
be interesting.
Lots of FOMO around XRP.
Let's have a look at this a bit. I was just looking at the dollar there.
I know the Bank of America are pushing it quite hard, and there's lots of news coming out from the XRP bulls, but actually pushing down, but still doing a good price, right, at 247. And be quite mindful around where we've marked in 242. But seems to be following Bitcoin, so we could see a push down over the next couple of weeks.
Yeah, I think so. I think you're right. I think I think we're above. Yeah, we're above that sort of resistance line there. So I don't know, Andrew. I'm looking here and I'm thinking it could move down first here.
Yeah, we need a bounce off that 240 before I think it gets into the next leg, if it is going to be bullish. I'm hoping it's going to be bullish, so let's see. Like I said, every dollar's a year off retirement, right? So
that's good.
$3.
You want to take off as many years. We want it to go as high as possible. But you can see it's actually broken below this. This is a 9 EMA as well. So let's see. Hopefully that former resistance acts as support going forward.
Be interesting to watch over the next couple of weeks.
Yeah. What else did you already covered gold, really?
Should we have a look at the pound dollar? I think that'll be quite interesting.
Let's do that. That one's on here as well. Pound dollar. Yeah, not looking sharp here.
Yeah, it's pushing down, right? So, I'm expecting the UK to do something this week. Might even be a new chancellor. The way things are looking, it's not looking good at all.
Yeah.
So I just think, the Bank of England will need to react to this, and our socialist government that's been in power about 6 months, and the economy's crashed. So it's going to be interesting watching this pair. There might be some good long positions who catch it right, but at the moment I'm bearish on the pound.
Yeah, it's quite low. It is. I actually don't look at this chart very often, but you're right. It's not looking great here.
No, so yes, definitely something to watch, and we can see that level of $1.03. If we get down to that, it's going to be some interesting times. So there could be some good swing trades incoming for the pound and dollar. So just something to keep your eye on if you're trading Forex, for sure.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Thank you for highlighting this one. This might be one I add to the short list. This is dollar itself. Just want to have a quick look at the dollar. Yeah, dollar is strengthening. I think that was a great call by yourself. This would have been highs back in 2022. But yes, dollar is very, very much in focus.
Yeah,
and Trump hasn't even come in yet.
Yeah, I'm expecting it to push higher this year. I keep saying next year. This year, I'm expecting a strong dollar for the next 2 or 3 years for sure.
Yeah.
So yeah, just be mindful with your crypto and trading gold.
Yep. You're right. It is denominated against the dollar, so any dollar strength would weaken the other side.
So yeah, I'm still in that position on the S&P at the moment. It's actually turning round. So let's have a quick look at that. So yeah, we're getting back towards the entry point at the moment. So yeah, quite mindful. But yeah, we'll see. Probably gonna test this Asian low again, and hopefully, we reject here and finally get that push down. So that's my trades for this morning. So that's where we're at. So yeah, I'm looking at a 40 tick profit on the S&P this morning, and I'll keep you updated. I don't have much else this morning apart from thanks for jumping on. I didn't think you were gonna miss today's show, especially after your trip and the football result. But well done.
Look, it's for me. It's part of the game, and I like a good football game. I like to watch a good match.
Yeah, it was terrible for about 30 minutes. Then I'd even say the first half, but then it's like a typical old school Arsenal United match. A bit of argy-bargy. It was great. Yeah, I think the sending off sparked the match into life. So yeah, it was good. I enjoyed it, and I think it's a bit of a shame with Real Madrid and Barcelona, but can't win them all, right?
Yeah, no, you can't. You're absolutely right.
Yeah, but yeah, I think we're looking okay on this trade. For myself, I would be looking at, so we got the Asian low in quite nicely here. Could be looking into that stop into a break even, and we're up 225 at the moment. So yeah, I'll be sticking in this trade. And yeah, that's probably gonna be it for today. Probably the one trade. I'll be out. So what have we got going on today? Any plans?
What's on today? So today got a few things on, but got this long list of to-do items. So trying to get that sorted. We are excited to announce that we have a new guest coming up, and I think we can hold off on the name for now. But great guest, lots of years of experience. I'm very excited to have this person on. And today I'm going to be working on formulating some questions for that interview, and I'm hoping that we can have the full gang on for the interview, Andrew. So I know you're going to be on.
Yeah, I'll be here. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it myself. And, send your questions over so we don't duplicate. And
yes.
It'll be a weekend show, right?
Yes, so we'll do the recording on the Saturday, I believe, and then we can figure out what day we do the actual live, probably a few weeks later.
Yeah, no, that'll be great. Okay, well, thanks, Mandela. I'm gonna probably end the stream now so you can see what trades we got, and yeah, we'll catch up with everyone tomorrow.
Sounds great. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Today's show is sponsored by thefivers.com, better funding for traders. Get qualified by a private equity fund and manage up to $4 million. So you can choose your funding journey. So you can start with the one-step program, which is hyper growth, two-step program, which is the high stakes, and the low-cost program, which is the boot camp. So pop over to thefivers.com. Please use our affiliate link for 5% off, and it's a great way to start your prop firm journey. Next to ourselves, it's TradeZella.com, the only tool you need to become profitable. So you've got powerful and automated trade journaling. Yeah, you can analyze your trading stats. You can gain some key insights. You can leverage up to 50 plus reports to monitor your progress. You can ask yourself a question after a week or two: do you have a profitable strategy? So you can go through your win rates, your profit factor, how many trades you actually missed. And you can even take it one step further. You can backtest, replay to help you improve. So pop over to TradeZella.com, use the discount code SFX25 for a 10% discount. And finally then, it's stxforex.com, the all-in-one complete trading package. Perfectly crafted trading program that meets all the needs of traders. So from Forex, futures, options and more, STS Forex provides mentorship and trading systems to suit every trader. So we got the all-in-one package there with this morning's sponsor. So thanks very much to thefivers.com, TradeZella.com and STSForex.com.